Hi guys, Ryan here from Advanced Physical and Aquatic Therapy, hashtag Advance Your Health video project. Topic for today is, now that fall is really close and back to school is starting, a lot of our kids, parents, we're all getting back into that sideline sports. Now I know there's injuries in these sports, whether it's high school level all the way down, but today we're not going to talk about the injuries to the athletes, we're going to talk about the parents on the sidelines. So we're logging in a lot of time, standing on the sidelines, watching our kids play. Sometimes we're not in the best positions, whether we're standing around on our phones, bent over watching our phones, we're just standing there, we're not organized, we're not keeping things tight, or maybe we're sitting in those sling back chairs that aren't really in the greatest position. I want to kind of challenge everyone to get out of those positions and try to find a better one. So let me give you some examples of how we improve those positions. First off is the old parents standing on their phone, just catching up on some work, checking emails, kind of hunched down like this. Every time we tilt our head looking at this phone, we're adding tons of pounds of pressure on our neck with the weight of our head and gravity. So in order to improve that, I suggest and challenge you to bring that PDA or smartphone or iPad above, and it looks a little weird at first, but you're going to be thanking yourself for doing this. Bring it up to eye level. The top of the screen should be at your eye level, and you need to hold it there with your palms facing forward. And that's going to be a better position to use your smartphone in, as opposed to down here and just destroying your neck. Number two is the chairs. So the sling back chairs everybody's in, rounding their low back, putting a lot of strain and stress in their low back. You can just go down to one knee. There's grass usually where you're at. Just get on the chair, get out of the chair, put your arm on the chair, and just down at one knee. You can just squeeze that butt cheek on the knee that's kneeling, and then after a few minutes, you get up and you change sides. And last is just standing in general. So we could just stand in general and be real lazy and just kind of hang out on our Y ligaments and kind of arch our low back, kind of standing on one foot, trying to get out of those positions when you're feeling kind of uncomfortable in standing. Better way to do that is thinking about getting organized and being able to stand with some tension in your body. So obviously posture we just talked about, keeping your abdominals braced. About 20% of your maximal contraction, you want to keep that stomach muscle tight, just 20% all the time. And then that's going to lock down your spine if you keep your butt squeezed a little bit too. So we tighten up a little bit in case someone would come by and punch you in the stomach. You have a little bit of tightness there. Your butt's clenched just a little bit, and that locks down this kind of midsection and keeps you in a good position. And then the last part would be thinking about screwing your feet into the ground. So just trying to widen your toes or widen your heels away from each other, but still staying where they're at. That creates a little more tension in your hips. Now if you stand there with your hands clasped, that's a much better position than just hanging out there all lazy. So I challenge everyone to do that, and hopefully we save some of our neck and back and postural muscles in the process. Thanks guys, I will see you next time.